Okay. The line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. There are three medians. The median intersecting at a point, it is called centroid. Right. There are three medians in a triangle. There are three medians in a triangle. There are three medians in a triangle. The point of intersection of median. The point of intersection of the median. Median definition. The line segment. This is in class 7 onwards you're learning, man. The line median means the line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. The line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. There are three medians in a triangle. There are three medians in a triangle. The point of intersection of the median is called centroid. Point of intersection of the median is called centroid. Point of intersection of the median is called centroid. Okay. In bracket, you can write G, capital G. Okay. Then median centroid divides in the ratio. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. 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 That means this part is 2, this part is 1. Okay. Any chance to median is inside? Any chance median is outside triangle? Any chance median is come to the outside? Okay. Median, right. Median is always, centroid is always inside the triangle. 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 Okay. Now, median finish. Listen once again. The line listen. The line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. The line segment from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side is called a median. There are three medians in a triangle. Medians, the point of intersection of the median is called the centroid. Okay, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. This is 2 part, this is 1 part. Okay, and what do you mean by height? Altitude is what? Altitude is what? No, altitude. What's the meaning? Perpendicular on a side of a triangle. Yes. Perpendicular distance from a vertex to the opposite side. Correct or no? Suppose like this.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you repeat the ratio between centroid and median?
That's 2:1. 2:1. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So then altitude. Suppose altitude, this one, height. Okay. This is the height. Okay. Altitude, the perpendicular distance from a vertex to the opposite side. That is called altitude. The perpendicular distance between a vertex and opposite side. The perpendicular distance between a vertex and opposite side. That is called a median. Altitude. How many altitudes in a triangle? Oh, how many altitude? 3. Yes. Its altitudes intersecting at a point. What do you call that? The altitudes intersecting at a point. What do you call? Orthocenter. Jonathan. A. Orthocenter. Okay. O starting O, not A. Orthocenter, right? The point of intersection of the altitude is orthocenter. Point of intersection of the altitude is orthocenter. Point of intersection of the altitude is orthocenter. Okay, point of intersection of the altitude is orthocenter. Okay. Then, any chance altitude can be inside or outside triangle. Altitude can be inside or outside the triangle. Altitude means height. That's only meaning. Okay. Then you had about incender. No, you had about incender. Altitude can be inside, outside. But like suppose, look, not scalar triangle, like this triangle. Look, it can be inside, no. Okay, or right triangle on the triangle. Right triangle is on the triangle. Okay. Then, what do you mean by incender? Incender. What do you mean by incender? Incender. What is that? Any idea? Why all guys, Rahul, Madhusudan, all late? Okay. What do you mean by incender? Any idea? Center of the circle in the triangle. No. How to get that, Akshaya? How to get incender? Incender means angle bisectors of a triangle. Right. Right. Angle bisectors of a triangle intersecting at a point that is called the incender. Angle bisectors of the triangle intersecting at a point. Angle bisectors of a triangle intersecting at a point that is called the incender, in bracket I. Angle bisectors of a triangle intersecting at a point that is incender. Okay. One more there is circumcenter. Head about. Anybody heard about circumcenter? Circumcenter. Any idea? Hello, circumcenter. Come on. I gave you last year. Last year, this note I gave you. Okay. Incender, circumcenter, and all. Okay. After writing, I'll tell you, Shiva. Okay. Circumcenter. What is that? What is that? Circumcenter. What is that? Anyone? Akshaya. Circumcenter means the perpendicular bisector sides of a triangle. Suppose that a circle is passing like this. Look. Okay. Okay, this one. The perpendicular, right. The perpendicular bisectors of sides of a triangle. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle intersecting at a point is called the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle intersecting at a point is called circumcenter. It is called circumcenter. Okay.
Can you repeat that again?
The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle, okay, intersecting at a point is called the point of, or we can say the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of the sides is called a circumcenter. The point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle is called circumcenter. Okay. Okay, so now look at here. We just discussed about one is centroid, second one orthocenter, third one incenter, next circumcenter. Are you okay all? Hello, is it okay? Just complete the note all. Incenter means angle bisectors. Incenter angle bisectors. Incenter angle bisectors. Okay. Okay. So now look at here. Hello. So now one important point, right? In equilateral triangle, right? In equilateral triangle, incenter, circumcenter, centroid, and orthocenter coincide. In equilateral triangle, in equilateral triangle, centroid, circumcenter, orthocenter, and incenter coincide. That means, look, suppose when you draw an equilateral triangle, A, B, C, this AD is what? Median. Listen, in equilateral triangle, AD is a median and AD is the perpendicular bisector, AD the angle bisector, AD the altitude. Clear or not? Okay, Shiva, in equilateral triangle, in equilateral triangle, centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter coincide. That means same point. Nandana, why late? Hello, Nandana. You late? 15 minutes. Okay. So clear now? We just give a definition of all the, okay. So only important thing is, listen, in a scalar triangle, these 4 points, 4 places. Only in equilateral triangle is in same point. Okay. Now, come to the equilateral triangle. Listen here. What is the area of an equilateral triangle? Side is A. What is the area of an equilateral triangle? We studied that. Area of an equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square. Right. Area of an equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square. Area of an equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square. Area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. A means side. What about altitude of an equilateral triangle? Altitude of an equilateral triangle. Anybody remember or not? Altitude of an equilateral triangle. Altitude of an root 3 by 2 a. H equal to root 3 by 2 a. H equal to root 3 by 2a. H equal to root 3 by 2a. Okay. Now, this is our center. Suppose O here. Okay. Now, listen here. Clear on latecomers. Only thing we just you have to remember is area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square. And altitude is h equal to root 3 by 2 a. A means side. Clear or not? Nandana, is it okay? Clear? Okay. Now, my question, look at here. Suppose 1,000 rupees divides in the ratio 1:4. 1,000 rupees divides to two persons in the ratio 1:4. How much first person get? How much the first person get? 1,000 rupees divides in the ratio 1:4. How much first person get? How will you find out, Akshaya? First person is 1,000 into 1 by 5. Second person 1,000 into 4 by 5. Correct? Sham, is it okay? Hello, Sham. Hello.
Sir, can you repeat?
What repeat meant? 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees divides in the ratio 1:4. Okay. First person, how much you get? 1,000 into 1 by 5. Why 1 by 5? 1:4. 1 plus 4. Second person, Esther, how 250? 200. Okay. Esther, 200. 1,000 into 1 by 5. Second person, 1,000 into 4 by 5. Sham, okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose, Sham, you answer. It divides in the ratio 1:2:3. How much first person get? You need to find out. You just tell me how to get it. Suppose 1,000 rupees divides in the ratio 1:2:3. First person, how much get? How will you find out?
So 1,000 into
Into 1,000 into 1:2:3. Add man 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much?
6
1 by 6.
6 by okay.
6 by 6. 1 by 6. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Second person, how much you get? 1,000 into
2
2 by
6.
6. Third person, 3 by 6.
3
Okay.
by 6.
Okay. It's not a this is not a class 10 version. Okay, just ask you. Okay. Now here, this ratio is 2:1. Okay. The ratio is 2:1. Ratio is 2:1. Height is h. My question: how much OD? Sorry, how much OA? How much? Okay, forget about the rupees and all. Now, AD equal to H. AD equal to H. So, how much OA? Anyone can answer. OA is how much? OA is, it is ratio is 2:1, right? Ratio is 2:1. So, OA is 2H by 3. Correct? OA is 2H by 3. And what about OD? OD is what? OD is 1 by H by 3. Okay. So you draw now. After that, now you understood. You draw. Okay. Right. Draw a figure. This one. All together. Okay. Right. Draw figure. Then right. Draw figure first. Then I'll give the note. Okay. You have to by heart this only. No need to write all the stories. I just explain what is the circumcenter, that only. Okay. Okay. So right, in radius, in equilateral triangle, only in equilateral triangle, in radius equal to, not finished, okay. Okay, right. In equilateral triangle, in radius equal to h by 3. In equilateral triangle, in radius equal to h by 3. In radius equal to h by 3. Then, next line, circumradius. Circumradius means this one. In radius means this one. Circumradius means this one. Circumradius is 2h by 3. So you have to by heart this. In radius, h by 3. Circumradius is 2h by 3. This is applicable only in equilateral triangle. Okay. Clear now? So we before starting one question, I need this all. Okay, listen. We discussed centroid, then orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter. Okay. Then in equilateral triangle, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter, and centroid coincide. That means same point only. Okay. So these are in equilateral triangle, circumcenter, orthocenter, centroid, and incenter divides in the ratio 2:1. Okay. So in equilateral triangle, in radius is h by 3, circumradius is 2h by 3. Okay. So now write the question star 2 question is there. Okay. Okay, a circle is inscribed, right? A circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle. A circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle. A circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle. Okay. A circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle ABC of side 12 centimeter. A circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle ABC is side 12 centimeter. Side is 12 centimeter. Okay. Find the radius of circle and find the radius of circle. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle and find the radius of the circle and area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part. Okay. Find the area. Find the in radius. Find the radius of circle and shaded part. Question clear or not? Hello, question okay or not? Okay, so what we'll do, first of all, you have to get the radius. You have to find, you have to get the radius. Then area of the triangle minus area of circle. Okay, do first. If not getting, I'll show this. For this question only, I'll explain all the details. Okay. 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 You try. If not getting, tell me. Okay. Yes. Yes. Akshaya, that is correct. Root 3 value given, no, check other. Why don't see the board? I gave the value, okay. Just wait, Akshaya, okay. Yes, Akshaya, it's correct. Yes, Shiva, correct. Shiva, correct. Continue. No, Esther. Oh, Esther, not 12 is Esther. Why can't you think about that? Side is only 12. How 41 is fit on the radius? Neil. What is that one? Radius or Esther? Side is only 12. Then how radius is fit on the? Okay, so now look at here. Hello, those are not getting, listen here. First of all, you find out H, AD. Look, H equal to root 3 by 2A. So root 3 by 2 into 12, 6 root 3. Okay, this is our in radius, I. Or O, okay, you can put O, okay. Therefore, then you write, after that, you should write the important point in equilateral triangle, centroid, circumcenter, incenter, orthocenter coincide and divides the ratio 2:1. This is important thing. Hello. Those who finish also, Akshaya, Shiva, after that you should write the reason. Because you just gave the formula. So we derived the formula only, not an approved formula. Okay. So then write in equilateral triangle, centroid, circumcenter, orthocenter, incenter coincide and in the ratio 2:1. Okay. Now we got H. Therefore, OD, radius, equal to H by 3. 6 root 3 by 3 equal to 2 root 3. Okay. Esther, understood how to get the radius? Okay. Now area of triangle. Area of triangle root 3 by 4 into 12 square. That is root 3 by 4 into 12 into 12. 3. That is 36 root 3. So 36 into 1.732. How much that? 36 into 1.732. How much? (36 into 1.732). 62.352. 62.352. Then area of circle. Area of circle is 22 by 7 into R is 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. So that is 22 by 7 into 4 into 3. 4 into 3. How much that? How much that? Area circle, Akshaya. Area of circle is how much? 24 points. 12 into 22 divided by 7. 37.71. 37.71. So then area of the shader region. Area of the shader region is 24.67. Complete fast. Okay. So complete all. Okay, finished now. This is a very important question. That's why half an hour we spend for the notes. Okay. So next question. In figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle. In figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 6 centimeter has been inscribed in a circle. 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 Okay, has been inscribed in a circle. Question. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Hello, Adav. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, of side 6 centimeter has been inscribed in a circle. Find the area of the shader region. Find the area of the shader region. Take pi 3.14, root 3, 1.732. Only take these values. Hello, my question. Listen, I noticed last test, some guys taking pi 22 by 7. Even the question is mentioned pi 3.14. If the question is specified some values, you're supposed to take that only. Here question given pi equal to 3.14, root 3, 1.732. Okay, similar question, but here circle. Try fast. Length is 12. Sorry, length is 6. Zeba, length is 6. Length is 6. Okay. Okay. Wait, 22.092. Let me check. How 20 that different? Marsuk, that's wrong. 22 points. Why it is coming different? 22 point something only. Okay. Marsuk, that is wrong. Circumcenter is 3.464. Why you are find like that? Circumradius, no. Why you are finding this pi value like this? Circumradius only we need, not center. Okay.
Sir, sir,
Tell me.
sir, can you hear me? Yes, sir. Even I am also getting 22.092 only, sir. After finding
Then okay, then okay, maybe reader wrong. Okay. So look at here. We join AD. Okay, O here. So first of all, H equal to root 3 by 2 into 6. So 2 root 3, right? So 3 root 3, right? Okay, H is 3 root 3. Correct or no? Hello. H equal to side is 6 root 3 by 2 into A, 3 root 3. Okay. Then OA radius 2H by 3. 2 into H is 3 root 3 divided by 3. So answer is 2 root 3. Esther, radius is 2 root 3. Correct or no? Okay, radius is 2 root 3. So keep it there. No need to find out that. Just keep it there. Now, area of triangle root 3 by 4 into 6 into 6. That is 3, 9 root 3, right? Correct? 9 into 1.732. How much that? 9 into 1.732. 15.5. 15.588. Okay. Area of circle is 3.14 into R is 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. So that is 3.14 into 4 into 3. How much? 3.14 into
sir, 37.68, sir.
37.68. 37.68. So difference minus 15 point how much?
So 15.58.
8. Okay. So you'll get 22 point, yeah, correct. 22.09. 22.098. Okay, let's start complete fast. Okay. Okay. So finish all. Glenn, Madhusudan, Ahadi, Minna, Namida, Ridiga, finish. Sham, Adil. Okay. So next question. Hello. Next one. A track 14-meter wide. A track 14-meter wide. A track 14-meter wide consists of two straight sections. Consists of two straight sections. 120-meter long. 120-meter long. Okay. A track. Okay. A track 14-meter wide. Okay. Listen, a track 14-meter wide. This is 14-meter. This also 14. Here 14. This also 14. Everywhere 14. Okay. A track 14-meter wide consists of two straight sections, 120-meter long. This is 120 meter. Okay. Long. Joining semicircular ends. Joining semicircular ends whose inner radius is 35 meter. Whose inner radius is 35 meter. Whose inner radius is 35 meter. Okay. A track 14-meter wide consists of two straight sections, 120-meter long, joining two semicircular ends, whose inner radius is 35 meter. Inner radius is 35 meter. This is 35. This is also 35. Okay. Find the area of the track. Find the area of the track. Find the area of the track and outer perimeter. Find the area of the track and outer perimeter. Find the area of the track and outer perimeter. Find the area of the track and outer perimeter. Find the area of the track and outer perimeter. Find the area of the track and outer perimeter. Question clear or not? Hello? Question clear or not? A track 14-meter wide everywhere. Okay. And the straight section is 120. Inner radius 35. Find the area of the track and outer perimeter. Okay. Can you try? Hello? Can you try or not? Hello? Okay. Try first. Okay. Okay. So you try. Are you getting? No. No, Akshaya. I think it is wrong. Shiva, I think it's correct. Shiva, Shiva, it's correct. Okay. Yes, Jonathan is correct. Hello. No, Akshaya, still. Again, check it. Okay, so shall I try? Or do you want to try? Hello, can I start? Hello. Is it okay? Then I'll try. Look at here now. Hello, listen. My plan is like this. Look, I just put this is part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, this is part 4. Okay. No, Akshaya, not that. Look at here, area of part 1. Listen, part 1 area is 120 into 14. Correct or no? Part 1 means this area. Okay, 120 into 14. How much that? How much, Shiva? 120 into 14. How much you got? 1680. Yeah, 1680 meter square. Area of part 2 also same, 1680 meter square. Look, my plan is part 3 and part 4 combined like this. Okay, because here one ring, here one half ring, here also half ring. So we join like this. Okay, this radius is 35. Outer radius is 49. Okay, correct or no? Hey, this part okay or not? Part 3 is a semi ring. This also semi ring. So we join just for a calculation purpose. Okay. So then area is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Pi into r plus r into r minus r. 22 by 7 into 49 plus 35 into 49 minus 35. So that is 22 by 7 into how much? 49 plus 35. 84 into 49 minus 35. 14 is cut 2. So answer is 22 into 84 into 2. 3696. 3696 meter square. Therefore, total Total is 1680 plus 1680. 7056. 7056. Akshaya, you understood what the mistake? Okay, total is 7056. After that, you find out outer perimeter. This length, this length, this length, and length. Okay, do first. Okay. Okay, now complete first. Okay. Hello, finish? Sabah, finish or not? Yes. Finish? Okay. Sam, finish or not? Okay. Eh? 548, sure. 120, 120 plus 2 pi r. 22 by 7 into 49. Okay, 240 plus 7 cancel 7. How much that? Okay, 548. Okay, so next question, right? So, right? Hey, how come 308, man? 120 plus 120, 240 plus 2 pi r. 2 pi r. 2 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 49. That is 7. How much that? Yeah, that is 308. 308 plus 240. Correct or no? Okay, so next question. Right. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium. In figure, ABCD is the trapezium. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel DC. AB parallel to DC. AB equal to 18 centimeter. DC 32 centimeter. And distance between AB and AC 14. This distance is 14. Okay. If arcs of equal radii, 7 centimeter taking 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter taking A, B, C, D have been drawn. A, B, C, D have been drawn. A, B, C, D have been drawn. Find the area of the shader region. 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 Once again, in figure, hello, in figure, ABCD is a trapezium. In figure, ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel DC. AB parallel DC. AB equal to 18. AB equal to 18. DC 32. And distance between AB and DC, AB and AC. Distance between AB and AC equal to 14 centimeter. If the arcs of equal radii, 7 centimeter, if the arcs of equal radii 7 centimeter, taking A, B, C, D have been drawn, then find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay. Question clear or not? Hello? Question clear or not? Question not finished. Okay. In figure, Okay, 1 minute. I'll send you the question. Okay. Okay. Check the group. I send the question. Hello. I send the Shiva. Check the group. I send the question. Okay. Okay. Then try now. Okay. I hope question you got now. Shiva. So copy the question and work out it. Yes. Akshaya. Correct. Okay. Wait. Let's finish all. Esther. No. Shiva, finish? Shiva. Okay. So yes, now correct. Esther, correct. Look at here now. Hello. What is the meaning is area of the trapezium minus area of the four sector. Okay. This one, look at here. This angle is this is 7. This is theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4. Hello. The plan is first I'm going to find area of the sector 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Pi r square theta 1 by 360. First one. Pi r square theta 1 by 360 plus pi r square theta 2 by 360 plus pi r square theta 3 by 360 plus pi r square theta 4 by 360. Right or no? Listen, our plan is area of the trapezium minus area of the four sector. Sector 1, pi r square theta 1 by 360, pi r square theta 2 by 360, pi r square theta 3 by 360, pi r square theta 4 by 360. Then pi r square by 360 outside, theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4. How much? Theta 1 plus theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus theta 4, how much? 360. So that is pi r square by 360 into 360. So pi r square. So 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7. So area of the sector is 154 centimeter square. Correct or no? Area of four sector is 154 centimeter square. Then area of the trapezium, formula what? H by 2 into a plus b. Area of the trapezium is h by 2 into a plus b. H 14 by 2 into 18 plus 32. 7 into how much? 50. So that is 250, right? 250 centimeter square. Difference is now 190. Sorry, not 250.
Sir, I got 350, sir.
350. So answer is 196 centimeter square. 196 centimeter square. Okay. Going fast. Okay, complete fast. Okay, finish. So next question. Finish all. Other. Finish. Santosh. Sham. Finish. Okay. Adil. So next question. What is the formula for each angle of a regular polygon? Any idea? Each angle of a regular polygon. Hello. Each angle of a regular polygon. No. N minus 2 into 180 by n. Right. Each angle of a regular polygon. N minus 2 into 180 by n. Each angle of a regular polygon equal to n minus 2 into 180 by n. N equal to number of sides. N minus 2 into 180 by n. For example, n equal to 4. Rectangle 4 minus 2 into 180 divided by 4. So 2 into 180 by 4, 90 degrees, like that. Each angle of a regular polygon is n minus 2 into 180 by n. Okay, you have to by heart this. Now write. In figure, ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. ABCDEF is a regular hexagon. ABCD is a regular hexagon. ABCDEF is a regular hexagon with vertices A, B, C, D, E, and F. With the vertices A, B, C, D, E, F as center of circle with same radius R are drawn. same radius are drawn. Okay. Find the area of the shader region. Okay. Find the area of the shader region. Question. ABCDEF is a regular hexagon with a different with the vertices A, B, C, D, and F as center. Circles are drawn of radius R. Find the area of the shader region. Find the area of the okay, try now. Okay. So what we will do? Each angle is each angle is n minus 2 into 180 by n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 minus 2 into 180 by 6. 4 into 180 by 6. How much? Each angle is 120. Each angle is 120. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 into pi r square theta by 360. So that is 6 into pi into r square into theta 120 by 360.
Sir,
Answer
is
here
it
3.
2 pi r square?
square. Answer is 2 pi r square. Answer is 2 pi r square. Okay, this is enough today. So copy first. Understood now? First of all, get each angle. Each angle is 120. Then sector area pi r square theta by 360. Sector area pi r square theta by 360. Theta is 120. Like that into 6. Okay. So okay, this is enough today.